Hi guys, I'm Shahzad and welcome in this video. Today we're gonna discuss about the column nesting and also the column offset. We have these two concepts available in Bootstrap 5. How they work, what are the classes available there while working on these kind of two sections. So let's get started. Hi guys, I'm Shahzad and welcome in lecture number 25. Today we are going to discuss about the nesting of the columns. How can you nest your columns? Nesting element inside your element. Let's suppose if you have a div and you are defining a div inside your div, then definitely it's a nesting. Okay, let's suppose, as you can see here, you are defining the row inside your container. That means it's an element div, it's an element div. You are defining a div inside your div, it's a nesting. Okay, now I'm going to copy this one so you can better understand, and I'm going to comment this one so you can easily get the code. Okay, now I'm saying this one, and now here I'm saying it's a 12 column. Why? Because we are defining this call. That means Bootstrap automatically detect that this is a 12 columns. For better understanding, I'm saying border, and here I'm saying margin top 5. Go to the page, refresh the page. As you can see, it's fine. It's a 12 column. Basically, it's a 12 column. Now, if you define in your 12 column, I'm now defining a row inside a 12 column. I'm saying row, and here I'm saying div, and here I'm saying class call, and I'm saying inner column. It's also a 12 column. And now I'm saying border, border. Go to the page, refresh the page. Now as you can see, this is the inner column. If you define the column like this, call md, let's suppose 6. As you can see, now it's fine. If you define the 3 columns, so now as you can see, you have a 3 columns inside your 12 columns. So if you right click, inspect element, so go to the element. As you can see, this is a call, and as you can see, this is fine, and you are defining the row inside your column. You can also define your row here. Let's suppose in this column, I'm saying I'm defining another row. I'm saying this is row, and this is column. I'm saying column. Let's suppose it's a 12 column. MD12. Write something here. Okay, fine. As you can see, now in your first column, it's a 4th column, you are defining the 12th column. So you can define any nesting, you can define any row inside your column or something like that. So if you go to the column or go to the grid systems, now here at the bottom of the section, so they are saying the nesting. To nest your content with the default grid, add a new row and set columns, blah blah blah. So they are saying similarly, as you can see, this is a row. You are defining 3 columns. You are defining 9 columns. So 3 plus 9 equals to 12. You are defining the 12 columns in a single row. Fine. And you are defining the row inside your 9th column, and you are saying 8 plus 4. So as you can see, 8 plus 4. You are defining 8 plus 4 equals to 12 in a single row. It's fine. But you are defining the row inside your 9th column. So it's also fine. So basically, this is the nesting. Okay, fine. It's hard to write each and everything here from scratch. So this is the nesting. I'm going to comment this one. So now I'm going to copy the content from the example, and I'm going to paste the content here. Okay, now if you go to the columns, you can also read the entire documentations here. As you can see how it works, columns, and they are saying alignment. You can also set the alignments, but basically we are You can also use the horizontal alignments, and as you can see, these are the few classes available. We mostly use the grid systems like call or call, SM or extra large, and also the medium small. So we always use these ones. So ignore these one. You can also read the entire documentations here. You can also wrap your columns. You can see, as you can see, 9, 4 and 6. Fine. But here you can reordering. You can also reorder your column. Let's suppose you have column. So basically you have 4 plus 4, 4 plus 4, 12. So you have a 12 columns in a single row. So copy this one and paste this one here. Now go to the page, refresh the page. So as you can see, this is the first, second, third. But now you are saying, please order this column from here to here. So as you can see, this is second column and you are reordering. So let's suppose you are saying 3, as you can see, it's also fine. If you are saying 1, as you can see, it's fine. Okay, so 5, fine. You can also use another thing like order last, like order first. So I'm saying order first. So as you can see, it's showing you the second column at the beginning of the row. Okay, now if I say order last, you are pulling your column to the last. Okay, so offset. So let's suppose if you have a column, if you have 2 columns. Okay, I'm going to comment this one so you can easily get the code. You can also get this code from the Bootstrap official website. Now I'm saying I have only 2 columns. And now I'm saying I'm not going to use the order last. Okay, now these are the 2 columns. Let's suppose I'm saying border. I'm saying border. So you are saying that you are using the 2 columns here. In this case, I'm saying we are using the 6th column, and I'm saying I'm going to use call MD4. So 6 plus 4 equals to 12. You still have a 2 column space here. Now I'm saying offset 2. So now as you can see, you are saying that please just ignore the 2 columns here, or as you can see, according to the documentations, they are saying you can offset grid columns in 2 ways, offset and also offset MD. So here as you can see, you are saying offset MD. That means you are saying please ignore the 4th column or left the 4th column. So as you can see, 4 plus 4, 8 plus 4, 12. So you are defining the 8th column here, but you are saying please offset 4. Please ignore the 4th column, this one, or you are saying please keep a space before this column. So that's fine. Okay, you can also use the offset 2, and also you can use the offset MD, offset LG, or something like that. Okay, margin utilities, you can also do the MS auto. These are for the margins. So basically these are the grid systems, or these are the columns you can use in a grid systems or in a row. Okay guys, so these are the 2 concepts of the column nesting and also the column offset. You know very well that we define the grid system in the grid system, like we define the row inside a particular row. So this is the nest. In the next video, we're gonna discuss about some useful functionalities in Bootstrap 5. So thank you for watching.